how to do an L sit. Let's do it. So the L sit is going to require a few things. The first thing is hamstring flexibility, so we can get deeper into our seated pike. We can improve this by doing Jefferson curls. Stand straight and slowly curl your entire spine one vertebrae at a time, keeping our legs straight and allow gravity to pull you down. Then come back up in the reverse motion. We can do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps and around 1 minute of rest. Start with your body weight so you understand the movement, and then slowly increase the weight as you progress. We can also just hang around in this bottom half of the movement, feeling a nice stretch in the hamstrings and holding it for a minute or so for multiple sets. Any daily hamstring stretching for 30 to 60 seconds will help expedite the process. Doing hamstring exercises will also help work on other exercises down the line, such as the press handstand, pancake, middle splits, etc. You get the most bang for your buck, so it's definitely a good one to train. The second thing that the L sit is going to require is core strength to maintain that pike position. The best choice specifically for the L sit is going to be core compression exercises such as the seated pike leg lifts and its variations. Simply start seated on the ground with your hands placed next to your legs, then with straight legs, lift them up as high as you can and back down. Place your hands closer to your body to make it easier and further away to make it harder. We perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps with 30 to 60 seconds of rest, or we can hold for time anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds per set. If this is too hard for you, then you can just do one leg at a time. You might get cramps in your quadriceps from this one. If you do, just realize that it's normal and you're probably doing the exercise right. The way you can combat the cramps is to drink plenty of water and eat a banana prior, but other than that, you just have to fight it. Keep in mind, guys, you might not feel anything when you perform these exercises. It might not feel like you're working anything, and it kind of just feels like fatigue. This is normal. What we're doing is improving our neuromuscular control and stability by bracing our core. We're just teaching our abs to maintain this braced position, and this is just going to improve our core activation and mind-muscle connection. You just got to trust the process with these ones. Another great exercise we can do is hanging leg raises. This is going to be an active core strengthening exercise. Hang on the bar, ideally where your feet are hanging freely. I don't have a bar tall enough, so bear with me. Then with an engaged core and straight legs, lift your legs into the L position and control the movement back down. If this is too hard for you, you can start with knee raises, and once you've made some progress, you can try bringing your feet all the way to the bar. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps with 1 to 2 minutes of rest in between sets. The third thing we need is a bit of shoulder strength so we can lift off and stay off the floor. The best shoulder exercise to get the L sit is to do support holds with depressed shoulders. We're literally just going to hang out in this position. We just want to make sure we depress our shoulders as hard as we can and have a slight protraction. We're going to hold this for 20-30 seconds and do 3 sets with 1 minute of rest. Another drill we could do is to simply push up the ground in this seated L position with protracted and depressed shoulders. Simply push up the ground holding for a time of 10 to 30 seconds and 3 sets of 1 minute rest in between sets. Use yoga blocks under the heels to increase the difficulty and progress. Again, we're most likely not going to feel much. It's not like the traditional sense where we lift weights and we can clearly feel the burn in our muscles. There's no pump. It's more about learning to activate the right muscles, developing the mind-muscle connection, and improving stability and control of the depressed shoulder position. So that's all the exercises I have for you today. Work on these exercises 3 to 6 times per week. We don't necessarily need to rest too much because it's mostly neural training. It's not going to cause significant muscle damage and is low impact on your joints. So obviously the more times you train, the faster you will get your results and you'll be able to get your L sit in no time. Good luck, and let me know what you want to see next. I do a bunch of videos on calisthenics and talk about my journey as a startup entrepreneur. So with that, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.